Imagine you have a magic box. You put something in. The box does something. You get something back. That's what an API is like. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's like a waiter in a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want. The waiter tells the kitchen. You get your food. APIs let apps talk to each other. They share information and do tasks. This makes our digital lives easier. For example, when you check the weather on your phone, your weather app uses an API to get information from a weather service. PHP is like a powerful tool for building websites and apps. It's easy to learn and use. PHP works great for making APIs because it can handle data easily. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. Don't let the name scare you. It's just a fancy name for a language that helps us build things on the web. PHP is like the chef in the restaurant kitchen. It takes requests. It prepares the data. Then it sends back what the app asked for. With PHP, we can create APIs that are fast, reliable, and easy to work with. It's the secret ingredient for many successful APIs out there. Let's create a simple API. This API will say, "Hello." Step 1. Open your text editor. It's like a digital notebook. You can use apps like Notepad++ or TextEdit. Step 2. Type this code, PHP. This code tells the API to say hello. Step 3. Save the file as ap.php. Now you have a basic API. TinyHost is like a small apartment for your API. It lets people access your API from anywhere in the world. Step 1. Find a TinyHost provider. Some popular options are 000 Webhost and Infinity Free. Step 2. Sign up for an account. This is usually free. Step 3. Upload your api.php file to your TinyHost. You can use a file manager app for this. Step 4. Your API is now live. You can share the link with others so they can use it. Congratulations! You've built and shared your first API.